after a college party? An ice bath will wake anyone up in no time. The girls were getting ready for the test all night. They even wrote cheat sheets. The professor will never find out that this hair extension does more than just make me beautiful. Write formulas on a long strip of paper. Attach it to double-sided tape and fasten the paper to a hair extension. It worked! But not really. June, what is this? Cheat sheets? Detention! June, we are never cheating again! I agree. It's easier to memorize formulas. The girls in the dorm are having a sleepover. Let's have a hair braiding party. We'll do a hairstyle which is simple and impressive at the same time. Put the hair around the face into 4 thin braids. Join 2 and 2 with hair ties. Divide the remaining hair in half and put it through the braids like this. Make pigtails. This is really nice. Kelly, I'll do these cute braids for you too. Hi, girls. Whoa, nice braids. Oh, hello, Kelly. Hang on, then who's that? A man at our sleepover! Once we kick him out, the party can continue. It's June's turn to try out a new hairstyle. Put the hair at the back into a ponytail. Pick up new strands and fasten them with hair ties. Add a strand after a strand. When you are near the crown, put all the hair into a high ponytail. The more hair ties you use, the higher the hairstyle will be. June settles on 6. A new creative look. Thanks for the help. Wow! The sleepover is going great. Soap bubbles, toilet paper streamers, and great music are a perfect recipe for a great party. This morning happens after every party. Where am I? She's trying to wake up. I need to do something with these puffy eyes. Unfortunately, regular ice isn't helping. Process aloe pulp in a blender. Add some water. Pour it into an ice mold. Freeze. A full fish tank of ice will help for sure. Add ice cubes to water. The ice woke her up, and also all the other girls in the room. June forgot her makeup brushes. How should she fix her makeup in class? Her classmate's braid will do the trick. I'll cut some off. Whoops! That's awkward. Take the eraser out of a pencil. Cut some hair off a fake braid and glue it in instead of the eraser. Trim it to shape a brush. Fasten it by pressing the metallic piece. Make brushes of different sizes and shapes. These fake braids are so unreliable. But now June has a lot of supplies for new makeup brushes. Hey, that's your braid! Kelly is doing her eyeliner. That doesn't look like eyeliner at all. Here, take my cat. This template always helps me. Trace a cat on a sheet of thin plastic using a template. Cut it out. Mark the spots for winged eyeliner with a white marker. Kelly, you went too hard and became a cat woman, but I can fix it. Here's your perfect winged eyeliner. Kelly, can you lend me a pencil? Here! But the classmate is picking his nose with it. Ew! Gross! Get away from my pencil, booger germs! Thank goodness Kelly always has hand sanitizer nearby. Pour 1 ounce of rubbing alcohol into a bottle. Add some hydrogen peroxide and some glycerin. Stir and add star-shaped glitter. Put on a cap with a sprayer. Let it sit and then the hand sanitizer is done. Give me a pencil again. No way! I'd rather sanitize you just in case! It's so hard to live in a dorm! Oh! The perfect lipstick color! I've been looking for it! Where's my lipstick? It was here a moment ago! Oh! A new scarf! It's nice! Can I try it on? I'll give it back soon! I doubt it's gonna be soon. I need to charge my phone. Oh, a portable charger. That's what I need. Not again. What should I do with my roommates? Dolly always puts her brush into the right drawer of the vanity table, where Kelly finds it right away. I'll brush my messy hair. What? My brush is in the wrong place again? June is looking for something. Aha! Here it is! Oh, so that's what's going on. My roommates are constantly using my brush. Well, watch out! Leave a bunch of fake hair on a brush. Now no one wants to use my brush. Yay! I broke my nail! Where's my nail file? I lose it all the time! Dolly, do you have a nail file? I need it for a minute. Thank goodness I covered it up as a flash drive. Superglue a little nail file to a flash drive. Perfect disguise! I just hope no one needs a flash drive. June sees blackheads on Kelly's nose even all the way across the hall. I'm coming, Kelly! I'll save you! What happened, June? Is this Whiteout? What are you up to? Pour a peel-off blackhead mask into a clean, sanitized Whiteout bottle. The blackheads are gone, and the friends are happy. Thanks, June! My makeup is done. What's that? Oh no! Am I balding? What should I do? Use a life hack. Take a matching shade of eyeshadow. Cover up the balding spot. The life hack worked! As soon as you take out a pack of candy, a bunch of people who want some show up. College students can eat everything, even soap. Melt soap base in a microwave. Add makeup pigment. Sprinkle a silicone semi-sphere mold with rubbing alcohol and pour in soap. Let it harden and put it into a box. This is what I call healthy candy. Soap always comes in handy. Hygiene is super important. Surprise! Happy birthday, June! Thanks, guys! Look at all these presents and balloons! But the balloons turn June's hair into a dandelion. Static electricity won't ruin my party! June uses a life hack to tame her electrified hair. Apply lip balm on your fingers and rub it over your hair. Now your birthday hair is safe. Time to open up the presents. Kelly is rushing to pretty herself up. That handsome guy is almost here. What's this? Dandruff? What a disaster! I need to fix it right now. Sprinkle your head with glitter to cover up your dandruff. What is this magical shine? Is this stardust? Ha! The trick worked! My lips are done, but my nails and my eyeliner are no good. The eyeliner dried out and it won't stick to my eyelids. But it does stick to my nails. That's a great idea! Apply a pattern on your nails with an eyeliner brush. Hey! June got so carried away with doing her nails that Kelly almost left without her. Kelly loves markers a lot, so she has a whole collection of them. But her roommate has a new unusual marker. Kelly doesn't have one like that. June, what is this marker? This is a lipstick marker. I have to have it. Let's swap. Do you want a pink one? And yellow? And green? Take all my markers. Take the plug out of a marker. Glue a lipstick sample into the cap. And glue in the lipstick with the cap instead of the plug. Now I have everything I need for a new lipstick marker collection. Did you like our beauty life hacks? Then comment below which ones you'd copy. A flash drive nail file, a cat template, or aloe ice cubes? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty life hacks from Troom.